Hello, my beautiful stars. I hope you're doing well today. So I'm gonna start calling you my beautiful stars because I end my videos with shine bright, which is just like a little tag thing that I've been saying for a few years now, and I write it in every single one of my thank you cards for my Poshmark and reselling business. So I hope you guys don't mind that you guys are beautiful stars now. But if you're new here, my name is Molly and I create lots of different content from lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and reselling. I resell fashion, clothing, and accessories, stuff like that. Not actual fashion, but I'm a fashion reseller. I sell, clothing, accessories, etc. on the Poshmark app, Vinted, Mercari, Depop, as well as Etsy. I sell home goods. So if you're interested in anything else, I'll have all my information in the down bar. And without further ado, I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I haven't done one since I think last summer or something like that, or last fall. But I used to do these quite a lot. Well, not Dollar Tree in specific, but the dollar spot at Target I did videos on, so I'll link them up in the cards if you like those videos. They're a tad old, but they're still fun to watch, I think. But yeah, so we got some good stuff today. I was just there literally 20 minutes ago, so it's fresh in the bag and I'm so excited to share what I got. Okay, little thumbnail. So I got two of these from, you'll probably see it in the thumbnail. I got two of these Jot. They're just like the cardboard file, file folder. Oh my gosh, no. Corrugated, right? File holder, not file folder. But I love this print. This was actually, if you follow me on my reselling Instagram slash like YouTube Instagram, I showed these on a story, and downstairs we have this random cabinet, and we've been doing a lot of like renovations and stuff in our basement, and just kind of like making room for Poshmark because my mom and I both sell in there. So we have a lot of inventory just like literally scattered everywhere in bags, and they're not even properly put away. So it's just kind of like a mess. And so downstairs my mom has a bunch of containers full of her Poshmark inventory, and then a lot of mine's up here in this room next door, which was my dad's like little office room. And so we're kind of just like renovating and doing all these different things, and I have a ton of like mailers. I did an accidental order of these like not cardboard but like paper mailers from Priority. So I don't know when I'm going to be able to use those, but I just wanted to put them somewhere. So I got two of these and put them and organized that cabinet down there because it was just full of like construction paper and like random like pressing things for like ironing. So I just kind of organized it and put some mailers and some construction paper for crafts and stuff and just organized them. And then my closet, which is kind of open over there, is a whole other mother of all messes. So I got more of these. I got those, and I digress on the rest of the information. Then I got Carmex. I put this in my car because Carmex for cars. No, I love Carmex. I think it's great. Then for their beauty stuff, they started selling these pack of like loose Kiss like already painted nails or colored nails, and I think they're gorgeous. And then I got the active oval. Let's see. Wow, I feel like a beauty guru. Yeah, so these are just 20 natural nails, and these ones have 12. So for a dollar, I feel like you can't go wrong. And Kiss is a really good brand. Then I always get my car fresheners at the Dollar Tree. I actually did an experiment and I snuck to Target. Not really, I drove there, and I just wanted to compare prices, and the Target ones are just as like really expensive compared to these. Really expensive being like $3, but I think they last just as long as any old car freshener. I also use the Bath and Body Works ones if I get them on sale. These are just, good for the dollar it is cost. And what did I just say? I don't know. Then I got this silicone glove, which I've been looking for at multiple dollar stores, and I finally went to the trusty old one that's like literally right next to my house. Right next to my house, meaning like 10 minutes away, and they had them. They had so many, so I need to go to this one more because they have so much stuff that I've been looking for forever. But I'm gonna use this for cleaning my makeup brushes. Makeup artists out there, it's a hack for you. Then for 50 cents, I got this like damaged Arizona tea, and I was like, I can't leave this alone, so I got that because that's my favorite tea to get. And lastly, I got some of these stickers, and I use these and I just like write thank you on them, and I use them as thank you stickers. Pretty easy. And then I got a screen guard. I get all of my screen protectors at the Dollar Tree. The one that's on my phone right now is the Dollar Tree, and it holds up for a really long time. So I just got another one. So that's everything I got today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you want to see more content like this, definitely hit the subscribe button. I would super appreciate it, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, weekend, and so on. And just remember to shine bright. Bye.